Hi, my name is Zoran Nasteski. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of QX. QX is a Web3 customer experience and loyalty cloud that helps brands and retailers connect and engage their customers without using their data. We're utilizing blockchain because trust is declining, and blockchain is one and the only proper technology to enable trust and connections at the same time, and reliability when it comes to connection and purchases and everything, especially in the retail space. Because most of the financing comes from ourselves and some early stage accelerators. So now we are at the point where we have to decide on the venture capital, decide on partnerships, decide on grants, on external support from European Union and other bodies that support startups. So in this point, we want to expose ourselves mainly to the opportunities out there. We want to be knowledgeable of what's possible, not just to run to the money, but we want to be really strategic of what type of money and capital we want to bring into the company, because I think it's one of the key factors of if we succeed, but more importantly of how we're going to succeed. I see QX as a small company of experts, a small innovation tech startup that understands the consumer needs and the development of consumer needs, kind of supports a really heavy industry that became really dependent on data. That's kind of hurting consumer trust on the other side. So we want to be the component that's going to create trust between consumers and retailers. Also, not striving towards being a company of many people, but striving towards being a company of few key players in the innovation and retail space.